Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple account has not been yet used with the iTunes store. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Apple account has not been used with the iTunes store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection. So open your settings and you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh into your network settings, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. And after that, you have to retry. If you're still having the same issue, open General, go for Software Update, try to update your software, and then you can try to disable your VPN if you have any VPN connection. Try to disable your VPN and go back and go for transfer restart iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. So if there will be any issue into your network settings, so it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you just have to go back and you have to go for screen time settings and then go for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Or if it this doesn't work for you, so you have to go to your Apple Sport app, and here you have to go for your iPhone, then select more option, and now you have to look for App Store, Apple account, iTunes Store, iTunes account, or something like that. In my case, I'm going to select iTunes Store, and here you just have to select get more help option, then select call us, and after that you'll find a phone number on your screen, and now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with the Apple support team member, and you have to discuss about your issue and you will get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if you're having an issue that your Apple account has not been yet used with the iTunes store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.